everyone! Today, we are exploring a trio of standout Adidas sneakers, the Tyshawn II in Cloud White, Core Black, and Collegiate Navy, and two colorways of the 100 Thieves Palos Hills Shoes. Let's examine them. First up, the Tyshawn II. This is the second signature shoe from pro skater Tyshawn Jones, and it's a beauty. The design takes cues from classic 80s basketball sneakers, giving it a nostalgic yet fresh vibe. The premium leather upper feels sturdy right out of the box. But don't worry, it breaks in nicely after a few sessions. The dual-layered toe area adds durability, which is a big plus for skaters. And the multi-directional cupsole tread? It offers excellent grip and impact cushioning, making it solid for both skating and everyday wear. adidas 100 Thieves Palos Hills Shoes. Now, let's talk about the 100 Thieves Palos Hills collaboration. These kicks reinterpret a rare archival Adidas silhouette, blending vintage aesthetics with modern touches. The premium leather upper, lining, and insole provide durable comfort and support. The design is clean and minimalist, making them versatile for various outfits. Subtle 100 Thieves branding adds detail without overpowering. The first colorway features a striking red and ecru tint upper with collegiate orange accents. It's bold and definitely makes a statement. The second option comes in carbon and cream white with the same collegiate orange hits, offering a more subdued yet equally stylish look. All three of these sneakers showcase Adidas' commitment to quality and design. Whether you're hitting the skate park or just looking to elevate your sneaker game, the Tyshawn II and the 100 Thieves Palos Hills have got you covered. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and share the video.